5:30 in the morning. But first, let's make chai.
In
I'm making dal and rice. Hi guys, it's 5:30 in the morning. So let's get ready for the college. But first, let's make chai because my morning is incomplete without it. Okay, so my class is at 7 a.m. and but I don't like going to 7 a.m. classes. But anyways, I have to go. I have no other option. Okay, so I'm ready. So let's go.
not one free tools in each tube. Now, this one is going to be another crucial information that
So I'm done with today's class and now I'm going to have brunch. Okay, let's make our brunch. So our masala dabba is ready with the restocked masalas. Okay, I came in the store to buy some grocery. Let's see what I get. Okay, so I reached home and now it's time for dinner. I decided to make it simple, so I'm making dal and rice. So let's make it. So I'm making this chane wali dal. Guys, this is my favorite part क्योंकि अब खुलेगा मसाला वाला डब्बा. Oh my god, the smell. Guys, our food is ready. Okay, so that's it for the vlog. Meet you in the next vlog. Bye bye.